How to zoom to 0.5x on iPhone camera. Hey there, iPhone users. Want to capture more in your photos or videos by zooming out to 0.5x magnification on your iPhone camera? Let's explore how to do just that. Let's get started. Start by unlocking your iPhone and locating the camera app on your home screen. Tap on the camera app icon to open it. Once the camera app is open, you'll see the viewfinder with various camera controls. Locate the zoom control, usually represented by a slider or pinch gesture on the screen. To zoom out to 0.5x magnification, use a pinch out gesture on the viewfinder. Place two fingers on the screen close together and spread them apart to zoom out. Keep spreading until you reach 0.5x magnification. After performing the pinch out gesture, check the zoom level indicated on the screen. Ensure that it's set to 0.5x magnification to capture a wider field of view in your photos or videos. With the zoom level set to this, you're now ready to capture your photo or video. Frame your shot as desired and tap on the shutter button to take a photo, or press the record button to start recording a video. If you want to reset the zoom level back to the default setting, simply perform a pinch in gesture on the viewfinder to zoom back in. This will return the zoom level to its default state. Well done, you've successfully learned how to zoom out on your iPhone camera, allowing you to capture a wider field of view in your photos and videos. Happy capturing, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.